Today I have for you an unboxing. This is a handbag from Coach Boutique. I also have two small reveals from Coach Outlet, one of which was a gift. No, that's not true. One's from the boutique. It's a limited edition piece, and the other is from the outlet, and it was gifted to me by Tote Style. So I'm going to show you all three of these items, and that's pretty much it. So stay tuned. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community posts on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to those beautiful things we love. Before we get started, just very quickly, I wanted to address that I have changed my background. You may have seen it in my previous video, my Halloween video, where I dressed up as Cassie Thorpe and pretended to be her. I had been thinking about getting these cabinets. I used to have, if you've been watching my channel before, this one desk behind me, and I found that when I had multiple bags out, I really needed to stack them, and that wasn't working very well, so this will allow me to go more vertical. Let me know what you think, because I'm not convinced yet that I've got it all right. I'm thinking about doing two more cabinets and doing a corner view and having more space. I don't know. I'm still working on it, still playing with ideas, so let me know honest opinions what you think. Alright, let me show you the two reveals first. Tote Style sent me something for Halloween. It is this adorable little candy corn key. It is this adorable little candy corn It is this adorable little candy corn key pouch. Oh my god, I can't say this. I've tried like 3 times. Let's see if I can get it right on the 4th one. It is this adorable little candy corn coin case. Oh my god, I finally got it, but I had to think really, really hard about it. Try to say that 5 times fast. I can't even say it once. Very cute. This is from the outlet. I remember seeing them there with some other coin pouches. Let me take all that stuff out so you can actually see inside of it. There's the inside, so I can put little random things in there. Perfect not just for Halloween, but I can carry it through in November for fall and Thanksgiving. Very thoughtful. She sent that to me as a thank you for filming the little segment in her Halloween video. If you haven't checked that out, go do it. Well, I was about to say right now, don't do it right now. Wait till after my video. Next is an item from the Coach Outlet that I have already unboxed. It's not from the Coach Outlet. Why do I keep saying that? It's from the Coach Boutique. I asked for gift wrapping on it. Clearly a small item. This is how Coach does their gift wrapping. I think for Christmas, so the closer we get to December, they do a red ribbon, if I'm not mistaken, but I've already unboxed it. It has a little magnetic closure, which is really nice. And it was wrapped in the tissue paper with a sticker. It's not currently in the box. I have it right here. You may have seen this in my winery vlog video. I had it on my bag of the day. This is the mummified Rexy charm from the Coach Michael B. Jordan collaboration with artist Blue the Great. That's a mouthful. Looks like this. I love Coach charms. You can see how thick it is. It's 2 layers of leather glazed on the sides, and then on the back it has Coach Michael B. Jordan's initials. Very cute bag charm. Perfect for Halloween. I'm actually surprised they released it as late as they did. I thought it was cutting it pretty close to Halloween, but they didn't ask me. Alright, now for the big box. This is an item from the Coach Boutique. However, I got it from the outlet in their reserve section, which I will link below. They recently posted a bunch of new items. When pieces go on sale at the Coach Boutique, and then I guess they still don't sell or something. I don't know how they work all their magic. At some point, some of the boutique bags end up at the reserve section on the Coach Outlet. And that's the place that I check every day. When they release new items, drop new items, it tends to be 5 a.m. and 5 p.m. Central Time. Not always, but sometimes. The day of the week doesn't seem to matter much. Lots of stuffing. And this recently popped up there, and I checked this morning and I didn't see this color available anymore, but they still had a black and gold one and a really pretty deep purple one with gunmetal hardware. So if you like this bag, I will link it below as well, and it's cheaper now than what I paid for it. Thanks, Coach. Packaged like this. If I remember correctly, I paid about $175 or so, and it's now $150. I can tell you up front, this bag is not staying in my collection, not because I'm returning it, but because I bought it as a gift for someone for Christmas, and that person doesn't watch my channel, so I'm safe doing this. And I thought you guys might want to see the unboxing. I'm not going to give it to the person wrapped up like this anyway. I'm going to make it prettier. The outlet does not do gift wrapping, so don't even bother looking for it there. And also remember, as always, if you're going to shop with Coach, also use Rakuten as a browser extension, and you can earn cash back, and if you're new to Rakuten, you can get Right now, $40, it's usually $30, but $40 off your first purchase with Rakuten through whoever they work with. They work with Coach and lots of other websites. Also use Honey for coupons. I have those two linked below as well. The way Rakuten works is you earn cash back that's paid out quarterly. All right, let's get this out of here. Coach does a good job of wrapping their things well, although they use a bit more packaging than most of us would like, I would guess. Here's your first peek at the bag. I'm gonna get it all unwrapped. Ooh, this leather is very soft. I'm gonna get it all unwrapped and then show it to you properly. I have to say I'm really impressed so far. This is a very nice quality bag. I think the person that I'm giving it to is going to be very happy. I'm also thinking I might want to get one for myself. All right, this is the bag. I'm going to put the name on the screen because somehow I'm not prepared and I don't remember. It's something like the signature chain tote. I'm pretty sure that's correct. You'd think at this point in my YouTube career, I would know what I'm doing, but apparently not. So this is it, and it looks like a simple bag, but there's actually a lot to show you. So let me start with my patented Autumn Beckman spin. Here's the front, here's one side, here's the back, here is the other side, and then here's the bottom. You can see that the front and the back look identical. The only way to tell them apart is the little thing hanging here. What is that called? The Coach hang tag, is that it? It has two sets of straps. Obviously it has these longer shoulder straps. Let's do a quick mod shot for you. Still haven't gotten my stool, so I'm on my tiptoes. I'm 5'3", not that it really matters with this bag since it's not crossbody. Fits very nicely on the arm there. Looks like that. Looks like a regular tote bag. I will grab a Neverfull in a minute and do a little size comparison for you. But these handles, they will also fold into the inside of the bag, and you could carry the bag by the chain handles if you would like. And that's very pretty too. So that gives you some versatility. There is not a way to crossbody it. I suppose if you really wanted to, you could attach a longer strap to one of these D-rings here, or the 4 D-rings, and have it hanging lower, or put a crossbody strap on it. I'll try that for you in a minute too when I get the Neverfull, just to see how it works, if it does. I'm noticing a couple of things that are really interesting about this bag and how it's made that I did not know about. So let me go over a few details with you. The bag is completely smooth, plain, very understated, but it still has that beautiful C on the chain on the front and on the back. It appears to be made of 3 pieces of leather: the front piece, the back piece, and the bottom piece. And you can see how the sides are attached right there. Very simple, elegant, pretty. The person I'm getting this bag for, I wanted to get her a nice bag, but something understated, and something that could be both casual and act for a work tote for her office. I also thought this color would go well with her wardrobe. It goes with just about anything, right? It has this stitching on the front and on the back. That's due to the magnetic closure here. And this is interesting because look, there's space between the bag and the closure. I've never seen a magnet done like that. And it's like that on both sides. And it's it's not like a super strong magnet, but it's strong enough that it feels like it's going to stay closed pretty well. There are no exterior pockets. The interior is a big open cavern, but it does have this one big pocket on the back. I'm going to pull that out so you can see it a little better because it is dark inside this bag. By the way, the interior is the burgundy leather that's classic to Coach. The pocket, however, is a fabric material. It has the Coach Creed, and it's a zippered pocket. Very similar layout to the Neverfull. Care instructions inside, and the interior of the pocket looks just as you would expect it would. All the leather edges are glazed in the same burgundy as the interior. Now, as I've been playing with this bag, the only thing I've noticed that is a little bit bothersome or annoying is the way these straps are put together. It's interesting, but the annoying part is that they twist easily. Often when you have a bag that has a short handle and a shoulder strap, they're attached to the bag separately. These are actually attached to each other, the straps. Let's see how well I can show this to you. So the chain goes right through the bag and it's attached to that D-ring, which is where the leather strap is attached. They did a clever thing here, besides that, which I also think is clever, is that you can't pull the chain through. The chain is always going to be hanging. Like you can't pull it where it would be tight like this, and then you would see chain here. Does that make sense? They have right here this little metal bar going through the chain, and that stops it from being able to go through anymore. It stops the chain from being able to go through that loop anymore. You can also see Coach is printed on those grommets there, all 4 of them. The hang tag is burgundy on the back and it matches the color of the bag on the front. Now let me grab a Neverfull. By the way, in my bag charm collection video, someone pointed out to me that I forgot to mention this bag charm. It's my Louis Vuitton turquoise V, one of my favorites. How did I forget it? Because it was attached to the bag sitting behind me. Here's a size comparison, very similar. The sides and the bottom so you can see the length and depth better. The Coach looks to be a little bit bigger. I also got a strap so I can try the thing I was telling you about, a little crossbody strap hack. Okay, you see I have it attached to the D-rings that are diagonal from each other. And I could wear that on my shoulder, of course you can't see it right now, sorry. And I could wear it crossbody, and depending on how heavy you make it, I think that could work. It does twist the bag a little because you have it attached diagonally and not symmetrically. This strap is sticking up a little bit, but no big deal. Just saying, you could do it if you wanted to. This leather is so soft and pliable, it just wraps around your body too. And because of the construction at the base, this part, these 2 edges, are a little bit stiff, but the rest of it is super soft and smushy. So one of the problems I have with my Epi Neverfull is the base is so structured it sticks out and it kind of pokes my arm. This one's not going to do that to you. And of course you could put a bag organizer in here. I think the Neverfull one would work. Here's one from my Neverfull, and that fits great with a little room to spare. This is just a generic Neverfull MM. I don't have a link for you for that one. It's something I got a long time ago. Well, I think this is fabulous. I'm very impressed. Well done, Coach. This is my favorite of the 3 color combinations that they had in the Coach Reserve on the outlet. Again, that's linked below, but the other 2 are gorgeous too. Yeah, this is gonna be perfect for the person I'm giving it to. I think she's really gonna like it. Well, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I hope to see you back here next time. Someone pointed out in my annoying video that I don't see you, which has occurred to me, like every time I say that. So what should I change it to? I hope you'll see me back here next time. Now I've lost track of what I was saying. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.